Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain the alert that you might receive after the 1910 update about the missing new internal private IP space. So since the 1910 release, the Azure Hubs is going to require a new /20 subnet private internal IP space. This is going to be used in the future for the container network. So in the future, Microsoft would like to containerize the infrastructure components inside Azure Stack, and it needs this network in order to run the container network. So what you need to do is you need to have a /20 subnet of a private IP range which does not exist yet in your data center, so it should not be routable. But if you do own multiple Azure Stack stamps, it doesn't matter that you reuse that particular IP range across multiple stamps. So let's dive into the demo and I'll show you how it looks like and how you can configure the IP address space. So in the Azure Stack Admin Portal, you might see an alert, missing new internal private IP space. If you click on it, it'll actually guide you to the instructions as well with a step-by-step guide. It's pretty simple. What you need to do is you need to connect to the privilege endpoint and you need to run a command. So what I will do is I'll make sure that the WinRM is configured properly for my web connection. So I'm using the HLH in my example. If you have a privileged access workstation, you can actually do the same. Let me type it again. There we go. So my ERCS VM IP is 10.1.123.225, and I'm going to establish the session to the particular ERCS VM. So this is a subnet that I assigned, which is not routable in my data center. I do use it already for another stamp in my environment. So what you need to do is you need to have this command available in your PEP session. So what I'm doing is actually store that script log into a variable and then actually invoke command and actually execute script log. So let's do an invoke command. And what should happen in the background is actually add that particular range into the configuration store. And as you can see, we have a message that the AZS internal network range added to the config. If we scroll up, it doesn't tell me that much, but at least you get some details and some output whether it was successful or not. There's no get command, so this is really the message you should do it with for now. And when this command is done, you are actually ready to proceed with the next update. So probably that will be the 2002 update, which is either already released or will be released in the future, depending on when you're watching the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.